Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2010 Holden Colorado LX dual cab ute, stock reference number 4506. This shape runs from the 5th month 2008 through to the 12th month 2011. It has a 10H9E 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 10H9E 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front. Bonnet has one small dent on the front edge. It's fitted with 16-inch factory steel mags. Left front has the ball tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear door has multiple dents. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with the average tyre. We have a Flexiglass canopy supplied with all bolts and brackets, less keys. Also includes roof rack. Tailgate has multiple dents. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has two small dents. Right power door mirror. Indicator type does have some paint peeling. And also 16-inch right front steel rim with an average tyre. Driver side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey centre console. Manual type. 5-speed manual gear shifter. Heated controls. Left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.